cool people just like you are. So why not to hang out with us on social media and discover even more cool deals? Also, to make sure you are notified when we post a new video, subscribe and hit the notification bell below now.
Hi, this is Kendra and thanks for checking this short and straight to the point presentation out. If you've been searching for more information on where you can get the best deal on the new Echo Show smart speaker and screen with Alexa, then the search is over because today is your lucky day. I highly recommend you to get the brand new Echo Show Black or the Echo Show White from Amazon. With almost a 5 stars rating, more than 14,575 customer reviews and 1,000 plus answered questions related to it, you won't be disappointed if you take action today and get your new smart speaker now. Also, this offer is an Amazon choice, so hurry up. As you can see, free shipping and stock is available. This is what verified customers from Amazon are saying about the new Echo Show smart speaker. Charlotte says, easy setup and easy parental controls. Penny says, love this. I no longer forget things because Alexa remembers them for me. Last but not least is the price and guarantee. You won't find a better price, also customer support and guarantee, than the one offered by Amazon in any other online store. Today you will only make a little investment of $129.99, so take action right now before the price goes up. And, as all we know, it is safer and easy to buy smart speakers from Amazon. If you ever need a hand, have any questions or need additional information, feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video and I will be more than happy to help you out in getting your new Echo Show. Do not wait on this special deal and get yours by clicking my exclusive link in the description below this video now. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day and a great shopping experience.
That's all for now, guys. Why don't you subscribe to our cool YouTube channel and hit that notification bell? Finally, do not forget to like and share this awesome video with your awesome friends on these awesome sites. It helps us a lot. Until next time, save more and shop more.